Alright, this is day 4 of recording my trades every day for 90 days. The weather's looking pretty nice. I came off for a run. Yep. So the trades that I took yesterday were one that it was a weird day. I ended up in $83 in profit. I would say it was a break-even day. The main mistake that I did was I waked up, baked, and started trading. Nah, that is a no-go. I cannot be doing that. Pretty much what happened from that was I hesitated on a trade that would have ended up in a profit.
And this is the trade that made me lose that money. Let me give you a little bit of context of what I was thinking before I put the trade on. I noticed that the market follows a certain pattern during the market open. I don't have enough data to say that this happens in the majority of the time, but this is what I noticed was before the market opened, the price makes a move in one direction. Yesterday, price went down. That's what it was showing. And what I was looking for was a pullback, and I would enter a trade in the continuing direction. That was the trade idea pretty much. Like price would go down, it would retrace up into a resistance levels, and I would short it. That was pretty much what I was thinking. But then price did this double bottom and came up. So I was overthinking the trade first because I wasn't in a proper trading mindset. That was the first issue. And yeah, I was just pretty much overthinking it because I zoomed out and then I saw, price could technically bounce from either one of these levels and still be valid. So what I did was I entered the trade, exited it, I entered the trade again, and then I exited it pretty much at the same level, but it ended up as a loss. That was the error that I made on that day. The thing is, I went back to the 15-minute chart, started looking back like a month before and then I thought to myself, this is not a clear resistance and I should not be taking this trade. I think there was a little bit of fear of losing my money as well. That's a fear that's been coming in since I made a little bit of money on the valuation, which is something I have to focus on getting rid of.
I took the gold trade because I thought it was at a resistance level, but it ended up making higher highs. That's a boom. Ended up making higher highs, so I exited the trade, but somehow the exit did not happen, and when I checked back, the position was still open, so I pretty much got out of break even, which is even better. So yeah, that was the outcome of the gold trade.
The third trade that I took for the day was an MES one. The entry criteria was the same as the last one as well, where I saw price made a move to the downside, which was it was actually here. So before the market opened, price showed that it was trying to go down, and I was waiting for a pullback to go short. And most recent resistance level was this one. These were the levels, and even when I went to the 15-minute chart, it was pretty obvious that price was going down. I entered the trade, but unfortunately my position got closed over here because I used top step and they close all their positions automatically every day at 4 o'clock. The problems that I had yesterday was I wasn't in the proper trading mindset. I'm not gonna wake and bake anymore and trade because that puts me in a completely different mindset. I have to be disciplined and focused during the trading hours. I wasn't doing that. I was just on YouTube when I should have been just focused on on trading. I also took impulsive trades. That was the Dow Jones trade, where I pretty much took 2 trades like at the same time. The solution is I'm gonna set up a checklist to go through before starting my trading day to make sure that I'm in the proper mindset. I still haven't got it written down exactly, but it's going to be something along the lines of finding out what the daily bias is for me and just getting in the proper trading mindset, right? And I will post it on the Discord once I get it. And also I want to risk $200 on every trade. The other problem that I was doing is risking too little. On the S&P 500 one, I was only risking $100. That cannot be happening. And the reason that I'm doing it is because I have the fear of being wrong and also the fear of losing money. So both of those, any types of fear cannot be present when trading. No type of fear can be present while I'm trading. So how I'm gonna fix that is just start the checklist so that I'm in the proper trading mindset, and I'll also, no matter what the circumstance is, I will risk $200 every trade. Stop thinking about the outcome. Stop thinking, okay, if it hits my stop loss and if I risk less, that means I'm gonna lose less. Don't think like that. That's not gonna help me at all. So all I have to do is focus on my process, buy at support, sell at resistance, and make sure every time the risk is set at a proper amount. So yeah, those are the trades for the day. And today is actually the Thursday, but I didn't take any trades today, and these are the trades from Wednesday. So yeah, let's see how tomorrow goes. If there's any trades, I'll make a video on it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.